Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to freeze videos in a CapCut apps. Now let's get started. First, after you open your CapCut apps and add the video that you want to freeze, it's so simple. You just swipe this line to the part you want to freeze. Maybe I want to try to freeze this part, so this line go to this part, and after this you can click on the clip, and now at the bottom you can swipe until you can see freeze this one, so you can click on it, and in here you can see this apart like this, and this is the freeze this scenes and finish. So that how to freeze videos in a CapCut apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.